Hi everyone, today I'm going to teach you how to build a turkey with the Creative Expansion Kit. You need to have your dodo bird ready. You can build your dodo bird using the itty bitty buggy app, the building instruction, and then the turkey is actually based on the dodo bird, so it's more like an advanced build of the dodo bird. So now I'm going to teach you how to build a turkey head first. Now first connect the edge piece, the great one, into the front of your dodo bird. And then take a back piece, attach in the middle. Now you need an orange piece here, like this. And then we can put the other two L-shaped white piece aside. Got it? Great. So now I'm going to have you attach two back piece here. So if I remove it, you should be able to see it like this way. And then you need another one on the top here. Great. Attach it to this. And then put a gray piece, the H shape again, like this way. And then do the other one like this. Great. You got your long piece here, a long piece lock. Punch through it from the hole here, like this. And then attach the L piece, L-shaped white piece to the second hole of the end here. Same as the other side. Now you got a piece like this. Put it back. Then you got the turkey head already. However, see, it's not so stable here. So we're going to put a back piece and another one. Attach to the 3 holes orange pieces to make it sturdy. Great. Now I'm going to teach you how to build the tail of the turkey. So you have a 7 holes back piece, attach 2 lock to the end for the first and the second hole, and then attach it to the orange 5 holes piece for the first hole and the second hole. Do it like this way. And then we need 2 pieces of this. And then we're going to do a similar thing, but right now it's going to attach to the second and the third holes. Like this way. And then we need 4 pieces of those. Okay. So now grab the H shape, put a lock into it, like this. Attach this one and flip it aside, like this, and then poke it in. This one, the second and the third, flip it one, poke it in. Right, and one more. So you get the things like this. So make one more. Flip it on. like this. Now, grab a piece of the small backlog, put it into the orange H shape, like this way, and then attach it to the 7 holes back pieces. You get the things like this, and then we need 4 of those. Okay, grab the one we built before, open it, and then look at this. So we count from the first, second, third, fourth, and fifth. Attach it this one. To this one and this one. Like this way, the other side. See? And then grab one more, the other side. And then punch in to here and here. Like this. So we got one finished. And then you're going to do the other one. Oh, you already flipped the first and the second. So it should be like this. So at the end, you should be able to see these 2 pieces, first and second, second and third, second and third, like this. Now, grab a long piece, and then slack it into the third. 1, 2, 3, and 5. Got it? And then attach it to another L shape, like this. And then now, push the left side here to the last hole here. And then the same as the other side. Now you finish the turkey tail. Flip around your turkey tail. Remember we finished the head before? And then there's 2 holes on the other side. Punch it in. Now you got your turkey ready to go. So after you finish building this one, since the turkey is based on the dodo bird, so when you get to the itty bitty buggy app, you can still use the pay mode from the dodo bird, and then you can do remote control to play around with it. So the turkey, you can use 2 creative expansion pack to build it. So this is the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching it, and happy Thanksgiving.